tonight. Denzel Washington, his beautiful wife, talented wife, Pauletta. This is not your first rodeo. You guys got a little close.
Are we?
Yeah, you know, it's less than a half hour before showtime.
Yeah, but
Well, no, I know you did not dare.
what? Well, she jumped ahead. Oh, see, I wasn't even going there, but she feels guilty.
No. Oh, I'll save you both. It's wonderful.
Save me.
Anytime that you hear, it's right on time. Let me tell you that. Especially with Fences, you did it all. You did it all, Denzel. You did it on Broadway, brought it to the screen. How were you able to do that? And it didn't lose anything in the translation.
Well, if it ain't on the page, it ain't on the stage. So the first thing was what August Wilson wrote. I was smart enough to bring the actors that we had such great success with on Broadway with me, and they delivered, and I get the credit for it.
Working with Viola again.
She's pretty good. Pretty good actress.
Easy to direct.
I got a feeling she'll have a career if she keeps working at it.
Yeah.
You know, I'm trying to do all I can do for her. She's obviously a brilliant actor, and I really feel this is her time, her turn.
Yeah. Well, always worth the wait, Pauletta, Denzel. Have a wonderful time tonight. Are you able to do that? I know that it's the 8th nomination.
You have a better time than me, you know.
Do you get more
If it was
nervous?
up to me, I showed up in shorts. Shorts and a t-shirt.
Well, I'm glad you have Pauletta by your side, so that but we wouldn't mind seeing you in the shorts. Hey, Michael. To you, Michael.
All right, I am here with Dwayne Johnson. Gotta say, nice suit.
Thank you. You too, brother. Yes.
The Velvet Brothers.
Yeah, the Velvet Brothers. Yes, in the blue space. Yes.
In the blue space.
Yes.
And you know, you're Maui, man.
Yes. thank
Okay,
you.
Moana.
Nominated
Wow,
twice.
Best
Yes.
animated feature.
Yes.
You sing in the movie.
I do.
Musical coming.
Musical. I've been talking about it. Yes. I'm gonna have to do it with Lin-Manuel, by the way. That's what we got to do. That's the combination. Yes. Cameras aren't rolling, right? I just didn't give it away anymore.
The cameras are rolling.
Oh, they are. Okay. Yes.
So now you got to do it.
Now I got to do it. Now that I've said this, yes, I got to do it. But look, I had the best time singing. Right, and Lynn wrote our music, our lyrics. So, you know, we got lucky. A lot of people love the movie. Now we're here. We're nominated. I get a chance to sing. You go to bed listening to my voice every night. It's a good thing.
I guess so. But another thing, man. Baywatch.
Yeah.
You're rocking the red shorts, man, the Speedos, whatever you want to call them.
I mean, not Speedo.
Well, you're carrying the tradition on.
You got to carry the tradition on. I'm very excited about the movie. We come out in May. We've been testing the movie. Audiences have loved it. And it's a tricky thing because it is Baywatch, right?
Yeah, a lot of history.
It's a lot of history, so you got to do it right. And I think we did it right. It's awesome.
And another thing, Stephen Merchant, Fighting with Family,
Yeah.
Fighting with My Family. You just filmed some at WWE Raw. You filmed some scenes. Are you channeling your WWE history now in the movie?
I've been able to give my knowledge to the other actors and to Stephen Merchant. It's a movie that was based off a documentary I saw, and I think people are going to like it.
Well, you know what? Next time, I promise not to call your stylist and ask her what you're wearing so I can make the same outfit. I promise.
It's all love. It's all family.
It's all love. It's all family, Robin.
Good love.
That
Back to
sounds
you,
great.
Robin.
That sounds great. Love and family. Thanks, Michael. Let's get it over to Lara. Lara?
Well, I'm joined now by Naomi Harris. Congratulations, nominated for your incredible role in Moonlight. What was it like to play Paula, a role that you didn't even want initially?
I know, it's crazy. I just think, what an idiot. If I turned this role down, I'd be kicking myself for an eternity.
What was stopping you?
I just didn't want to play a kind of negative image of an addict and of women. You know, I wanted to portray positive images of women. So, yeah, but Barry persuaded me because he explained to me that it was basically his story and based on his mother.
Right.
Yeah.
Which did it. You shot the role in just 3 days. Did you ever imagine that of all the roles that you've done, you've been working a long time, that role shot in 3 days would land you right here?
I never ever did. You know, this was a little passion project. We expected it would be seen by our friends and our family, not by the entire world. Not that we'd end up on the Oscars red carpet. You know, this is all surreal. It's incredible.
Also nominated for Best Picture because so many people say this is actually a universal story.
It is, absolutely. I think when something becomes so specific, it does become universal. And what's so wonderful is Terrell Alvin McCraney and Barry Jenkins, they really poured their heart and soul into this and made the story so personal that it's relating to people from completely different backgrounds.
So we're getting very close to the actual show. Have you processed that?
I haven't.
Your name might be called.
No, my name won't be called. I know that. No, I know that. But I'm so honoured to be here. I'm really over the moon. It's such a privilege just to walk this red carpet with these amazingly talented individuals that I spent my entire life looking up to, and I'm here. I'm amongst them. It's incredible.
Well, congratulations. You're very modest. Be prepared. You might just hear it. And you look gorgeous. Gonna head back to Robin. Best of luck. Robin?
All right, thank you, Nina. It's back with us. We're talk fashion, and we got to talk about Naomi Harris.
Oh my God.